how we can increase the wealth of our policyholders by knowing tax laws and by having its detailed studies. Under Section 80C, there are so many exemptions are given, but being insurance professional, normally we take insurance premium as one of the items, but we must have knowledge about all the deductions available under Section 80C, like PF contribution, voluntary PF contribution, PPF, housing loan installment paid, children education, like so many things are there. When we pay premium more than 1.5 lakh, our exemption is only limited to 1.5 lakh. And all these things are taken together. All the deductions which I have just now mentioned, all are taken together. And the same limit is there. So if I am taking an example how we are increasing wealth. So if I am taking example of a person aged 30 and his earning is more than 10 lakh rupee per annum. In that case, his tax liability, income tax slab in which he comes, it is 30%. And on 30%, 4% is surcharge. So total outgo out of every 100 rupee, it will be 31 rupee 20 paise. So we always what we advise कि आपने 1.5 लाख रुपए बचा दिया और उसके हिसाब से आपको लगभग अपन इसको 30% का कैलकुलेशन करें तो 45 रुपीज बच गए. ऐसी सर्कमस्टांसेस में उसकी वेल्थ कैसे बढ़ेगी? अगर उसको ये एडवाइस किया जाए वॉट एवर इनकम टैक्स यू हैव सेव, इवन इफ इट इज एडेड इन 1.5 lakh which you have subtracted from your gross income for saving income tax. So let us say you have saved 1/3, 50,000 you have saved. Now total amounts comes to 2 lakh rupees. Then his income will be 1/3, whatever maturity proceeds will be received by him, it will be increased by 1/3. Earlier he was contributing 1.5 lakh, so X amount was coming. Now even his saving of income tax of 31 rupee 20 paisa at the rate of this, it amounts to 50. Easy calculation के लिए तो उसका जो सेविंग है वो बढ़ गया, सेविंग बढ़ गया तो इसलिए मैच्योरिटी प्रोसीड भी बढ़ गया. One most important thing which we have to take into consideration is that his cover should be minimum 10 times of yearly premium. If he is paying 1 lakh rupee yearly, for example, then he should cover yearly premium 1 lakh पर उसका कवर मिनिमम 10 लाख होना चाहिए. अगर 10 लाख से ज्यादा कवर है, it will do. So that is very important. Prior to 1st April 2012, 5 times cover was okay. क्योंकि अगर वो लाख रुपए प्रीमियम पहले देता था 1 अप्रैल 2012 के पहले, तो वो 1 लाख रुपए की प्रीमियम पर 5 लाख का कवर होता था तो वो चलता था. Now this is change with effect from 1st April 2012. That also we have to see. Recently there are some changes and change में ये आया है कि with effect from 1st April 23, any contribution more than premium of more than 5 lakh, it will be taxable under 1020. So it is limited to 5 lakh yearly premium to avail the tax benefit under 1020. This 5 lakh rupee is excluding your GST. In case if GST is 10,000 and if his premium is 5 lakh, then total amount comes to 5 lakh 10,000. So it will be tax free. That is very important. We have to take a note of it. In addition to that, we should also have the knowledge of other investments and savings which are exempted and deducted from his gross income to have a tax relief. Likewise, ULIP policies we have to suggest. In that case, maximum limit is 2.5 lakh. So in this way, his contribution towards ULIP policy of 2.5 lakh and 5 lakh rupee in LIP, life insurance premium, the total he can have the advantage of 7.5 lakh. And it is also available not to only salaried person but non-salaried person also. It is also available individual as well as HUF also. In his case, he can take the maximum advantage of this tax loss. So he can create his wealth accordingly, wealth maximization. So this way he can. In my case, what I did it earlier. So my earlier insurance was 1 crore 11 lakh. Maturity which I received in 27 years, it was 3.67 crore. So 2.56 lakh was the bonus and sum assured return of that, including FAB. So it was totally tax free. It is not only the premium which we have paid. In addition to that, whatever bonuses have accrued during that period, plus whatever FAB has been also added. Taking all these things together, we can save our money under 1020. Everything is exempted. So only precaution is कि your premium का जो आपका cover है, it should not be less than 10 times. That is the most important thing. So always we have to advise, and we should have enough knowledge of all sections. Now we have talked about insurance premium, LIC premium, but in addition to that, we should also have a knowledge of ATD also, which is beneficial to the policyholder. Under ATD, 25,000 rupees exempted when he pays premium for medical insurance. For his parents, again 25,000. If parents are senior, it will be 75,000. And if he himself, his family, if he is also senior and parents are also senior citizen, in that case it is available up to 1 lakh rupees. So likewise, how we can increase the wealth. Most important thing which we ignore कि जब पहले तो क्या होता था टैक्स सेविंग के हिसाब से, पहले वो 1 अप्रैल 23 के पहले वो कितनी भी प्रीमियम देता था और उसका जितना भी पैसा आता था वो 100% एग्जम्प्टेड. एक ही कंडीशन उसका कवर का, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द पीरियड व्हेन ही हैज टेकन द पॉलिसी, 5 times cover minimum or 10 times cover minimum. He used to pay even 1 crore yearly premium just to get the benefit of 1020. This way, how wealth can be maximized. So government ने आपका 1,50,000 रुपए का जो लिमिट है, अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, लुकिंग टू द inflation, looking to the increased income of the masses, it should have been increased. 1.5 lakh, and that too available on so many savings. It is insufficient, very much insufficient. Though it is going to affect the tax collection, no doubt about it, but still it should be increased. That is what my suggestion is. But ultimately, this decision is to be taken by the Government of India Income Tax Department. So I have no say, and they are focusing minimization, cutting the benefits. Again, we should update our knowledge. Whatever changes are taking place with effect from 1st October, let us see, and then we will come and discuss the changes already have taken place when we will discuss this matter after 1st October 2024. That's all. My name is S.K. Valecha. I am insurance professional for last 55 years. I'm a mechanical engineer. I'm serving 1,260 policy holders. And I did my MBA in marketing as well as MBA in financial management. I have done my CFP, Chartered Financial Planner. And at present, I am a student of Indian Institute of Management, Indore. And learning is never ending. My aim is to see that what best I can give back to the society which has given me this sight. Thank you very much.